Hello everyone, welcome to Triumph Trust FX channel. Um, I'll start by thanking all my subscribers for subscribing to this channel, and for new people, anybody who is visiting for the first time, a warm welcome to you. Please do click on the subscribe button and as well the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Right, so today we are going to be looking at the weekly Forex analysis that covers from Monday 15th to Friday 19th November 2021. Now let me also remind us that this analysis is not a general Forex analysis. It is based on our strategy. Right, so before we move into the analysis for this for next week starting from 15th, I will quickly go through what we discussed last week and see how our trade played out. Right, so one thing to note too is all the analysis we're going to do today will be based on our setups that are ready for trade. So anyone that is not ready for trade, we're not going to be talking about it. So but as the week comes up and as we continue the week, as the setup emerges, then we'll begin to post them on our free Telegram group. Although not all the setup will be posted on the free Telegram group, most of them will be on the mentorship group. Now the link to my Telegram group is on the description of the video below. Now when you join the Telegram group, you can also contact me. Feel free to contact me if you want to. Alright, so last week we discussed some pairs on BTC USD 30 minutes time frame. We marked out this zone and we're expecting price to get back to it, then for us to take a sell. Then what happened? So what happened was that price came close to it, kissed it and dropped. I've explained before now that when price gets to the zone and your sell limit orders are not triggered, you can take a manual trade. Right, so what happened here, price came very close to it, although it didn't touch it, but it dropped down to our take profit level before reversing and started going up. Then we also discussed card CHF. We're waiting for price to get to the zone, but price couldn't get to it and drop. So we're also expecting that price will move back and retest it before we take our sell, but price didn't get to it anymore before dropping to our take profit level. Later on, price came back here, take out this liquidity and dropped down. We also discussed card JPY. We're expecting price to come back for a retest before we sell, and what happened was price didn't get to it before dropping, and that was how price went away. Then we also discussed USD JPY. We're expecting price to come back to the zone, but price didn't get there. So almost all the setup we discussed last week they didn't get to the entry point before dropping. This is gold. We discussed gold too, and gold didn't come back but continue in the up direction. So those were the setup we discussed in the last week analysis. Then within the week we had some setups and trades. Some were posted in the general Telegram group, while most of them were in the mentorship group. So we saw this card CHF and we marked that price will get to this zone, then for us to take a sell. But what happened, price came very close, just a pip away to our entry point. This was my sell limit order. Then price did not get to it before dropping to TP level and breaking down. Right, then we also had card JPY. We're waiting for price to come to retest here. Then we sell. Our stop loss was here, and what happened was price came there. After triggering our entry, it went up to take us out, so we had a loss on this one. Then we had it set up yesterday, Euro CHF, in the 5-15 minutes time frame. After taking an entry in the 1 hour time frame, which was running, then we saw another setup here, so we mark out these two zones. This was shared in the mentorship group. So price, we're expecting price to drop here, we'll take a buy, and if for any reason price break through here, we're going to buy at this zone. And this is what happened. Price came here, so we took the entry at this zone, and that was how we moved into profit. Then this is the 1 hour setup. On 1 hour before the one of the 15 minutes time frame, we had this setup, so we mark out this zone expecting price to come for a retest. We took the entry here, and price moved to our favor. Then for Euro GBP, we had this setup too, so we mark out this zone, waiting after this price breaking this high with this impulsive move and taking out liquidity here. We were expecting price to come and have a retest, then we sell, and we took an entry as price retested the zone, and our take profit, first take profit was taken out here, then the final take profit was taken out. Right, then we also had GBP CHF, and we're waiting for price to come for the retest. Then we take a buy, and price came, triggered our entries, and that was how before the end of the week price hit our take profit at about 55 pips. Then we also had this setup on GBP JPY. After price took out liquidity here, broke market structure, we're expecting price to come back to retest the zone, then we buy to the upside. Then this is what we had. So on this strategy, we do not want price to break above this high before the retest. So here price took out this high before coming back for the retest. We didn't take this trade because it violated our rule, but the trade moved very well, massively well. Right, so this is GBP, another GBP JPY. We're expecting price to come and retest here, then we sell when we saw that price took out liquidity here and drop with this impulsive move, but price has taken out our low here, so we have to cancel this trade. Even if it goes well, we stick to our rules. Then another set of GBP NZD, we're waiting for that retest, but price came and took us out. Then we took this entry again, and after that we had another setup on GBP NZD on the 15 minutes time frame, and the entry was triggered, and we had this drop. So when price was here, I advise everyone to take first take profit at this point when price was over 20 pips. So that was from here, price decided to go back up, so we had some profit on it. So the losses we incurred in the first entry were recovered, and we had more profit on this pair. Then on US 30, we are also expecting price to get to this zone, and price didn't get there. Alright, so price took out low, so we have to cancel this setup. Even if it gets there and drop, we have to stick to our rules. Alright, so those are the summary of the trades we took this week. So on the analysis, currently no on other time frame, no setup is ready, but as soon as the setups are ready, I will be posting them on the free Telegram group for us to take our entries. Then here I'll be looking at AUD card on the 15 minutes time frame. So price is moving up here. I can see price is on a bullish trend on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is just going to be a quick trade, right? So price created this high, dropped down and begin to consolidate. So price began to consolidate here, and while consolidating and moving upward, we saw price take out liquidity here on the buy side, came back down, take liquidity on the sell side, and push upward with this impulsive move, creating this high. So I'm expecting that price will come here to retest this zone before moving up. Although in a higher time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, this is a downtrend. So this is a kind of buying to sell. So if we see a setup for a sell, I will also post it on the group. Then we will sell if our setup is there, but if it's not, we'll leave it and allow it to go. So hopefully we're expecting our entry at 0.91885. Then stop loss is going to be around 0.91778, about 10 pips stop loss. Then our first target is going to be 0.92088. Then the final take profit is going to be 0.92280. So this is the trade we are expecting to take as we resume on the new week, right? So as I said, other sectors, as they are going to come up, I'm going to be posting them on the Telegram group for us to take our entry, right? So in case you want to join the mentorship group, you'll be trained and you'll be mentored on how we'll take our trades using this liquidity strategy, and we'll also have a reversal strategy as well. So you'll be trained and you will be mentored to take trades in this way professionally by yourself, and you'll be profitable, right? So please feel free to contact me if you need to join the mentorship group. But if you're not ready yet, no problem, join the free Telegram group. Setups are coming in on a daily basis for you to trade, and you make good profit. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a successful week ahead. God bless you.